Hello, I'm Abigail Holtzclaw from Miss Broom's Pre-Calculus Algebra class through Gaston College. And today I'm going to solve a problem from section 1.9 of our textbook, which is page 264, and I'm going to solve number 53. So number 53 says, complete the square and write the equation in standard form, then give the center and radius of each circle and graph the equation. So the equation they give us, and it's in general form, is x squared plus y squared plus 6x plus 2y plus 6 equals 0. So general form is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. R squared is the radius, and h and k basically just denote the integers or the coordinates of what's going to be the center of the circle. So that means that it's minus. If you ever see just a 1 there, that means that the center of the circle is that x coordinate is actually going to be positive 1 because this negative kind of makes everything opposite. So that can be a little tricky when you're graphing circles sometimes. So let's get started. What I do is first group the like terms. So do x squared plus 6x and leave a blank, and then y squared plus 2y, 2y and leave a blank equals, and move this over negative 6. So next what we're going to do is divide this in 2 and square it, and then divide 2 by 2 and square it. So 6 divided by 2 is 3, and 3 squared is 9. And we add that over here. And 2 divided by 2 is 1. 1 squared is 1. Add that over here. So this is going to be x plus 3 squared plus y plus 1 squared equals negative 6 plus 9 is 3 plus 1 is 4. And if you're ever unsure about this part, you can check it over to the side. So this means that the center is going to be negative 3, negative 1, because of the negative situation I talked about earlier. And the radius is going to be 2. The square root of 4 is 2. Alright, so then we're going to graph this. One, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so the center is at negative 3, negative 1, and the radius is 2, so you go out 2. In reality, it's all directions from the center, but we're just going to do 4 points. So 1, 2, up 1, 2, over 2, and down 2. And because of my graph, this obviously is not a perfect circle, but there's the graph of our circle, and we're done.